Hello, Harvested here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with Lyft app on the iOS. So first thing that you want to do is go to the App Store, search bar, find your app, Lyft, click here, and check if you have the newest version. If you have the update should be right there, and you need to upgrade the app to update the app to the newest version. After this, any most common issues should be fixed, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, right there, go here, find your Lyft app. I'm got this, and here you need to set every settings on Fabric, like mine, like there. Siri, search, live activities, background app refresh, and language doesn't matter. After this, the most issues should be fixed, but if not, if you have still some problems and issues, the last way is just reinstall the app, like this. Remove, yes, go here, go right to the, and just reinstall the app. After this, should be everything fine. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.